Welcome to my tutorial. Screen. Okay, so today we're going to learn the gate. Gate is like correct. And yeah. So you can either go here and start coding from here. Create. Then you click to play. This is version 0.9 1723, which I'll use as well. When you press escape, what you're going to learn here is that this is the what? This is the code itself. I mean, it's the code. And it's written in This is Lua. So you have the game title, like say Justin code editor, or the title is title, or the title is password, whatever. This is the name of the game. The code, I mean. Then there's the author. The author is David. Then there's the short description. All these are not mandatory. You can. This is just an comment. Comments are very important, but you shouldn't comment all the time. So yeah. So if you have a double hyphen, it will form a comment. Page 11 is terrible. It's actually good, etc. So now that you've done all this is the when you have a new but I'm not doing that. So when you press escape, you come to this console. When you press escape, you come back to this working area. The console is where you have commands. LS. Wait, they're not LS. They are. Let me see it out. You said text welcome commands API startup terms license. Let me see. That's when you want to clear the screen. Okay, so ls. What was the command? Symptoms. Yes, you can even use this in the Ninja, Raspberry Pi, bare metal. I don't know what that means, but that is. Windows. I hear there's also a DOS in Linux, which is kind of hilarious. Buy each of you for $10. support the creators. This is the new version of TIC. So help commands. Help commands to show commands. What? Add CD control. This is completely new. I've never really done this in 0.9. I have the old version of 0.8 and I'm just to upgrade to 0.9. Add CD, CLS, config. Yeah, so these are all the commands. To run, you get this. This is the execution of the code. Hello world, and then you can move it to the arrow buttons, left, right, up, down. Then it can go off screen. It can go off screen again. It can go off screen. Screen. It can really go off screen. And it won't come back unless I tell it to come back. It's coming back. This is the whatever the TIC mascot, and this is the TIC font, which you'll see over here when you come to this. So print hello world. This is the font itself. All of this, everything in TIC. We like it, we don't like it, depends. You can change the font if you want. You never really change the font. There's a lot of functionality in this language. It's a small language, Lua, but a lot of people like it. Examples of other fantasy consoles include Pico 8. Pico 8 came a little bit, I think, before TIC 80, probably. I think. And I might be trying it out eventually. Right now I'm learning new things. This is what you can do with a fantasy console. You can create beautiful graphics, code, and it's just there to wow you. Some people have used some stuff like whichever. TIC can have the same functionality. It's just as powerful. Other fantasy consoles, fantasy consoles, yes. Bitsy is a good one. Basic 8 is another one. This one uses basic, but it's a bit expensive. Bitsy is free. MIT, you don't need programming in it, but it's a programming is a pretty important tool to use because it's programming. There's Lico 12, there's all this. All of these, a lot of them are very good, very good. Next, which is also very good. It's very limited. Lico 12 is like TIC 80, but a little bit less coding and more of an operating system. It's kind of like looking at Windows. But yeah, there's so many of them, Pico 8, and so many of them are made in Lua, JavaScript, MoonScript. TIC 80 has MoonScript, JavaScript, yeah, all of this free $5 Pro. MIT. If you see MIT in a game development license one, just it's completely completely free to use and modify. Boxatron is the 3 voxels. I might probably look into it. There's so many of them. So many of them. Yeah, that's the list of fantasy consoles. Function. Okay, so to begin with, I'll tell you the 3 things we need. You don't need any of this. Control X. So the first thing you should know in TIC that function TIC is the only thing you need that will tell the console. Function TIC will be the only thing that will tell the console to like work. If you don't have it will give you an error. Let us run it. It will give you an error. Function TIC isn't working. Yes. So function TIC, and then we run. It will run. But the problem is, without doing it, without adding one thing, the thing that I used to call CLS. CLS is clear screen. Clear screen. CLS. So this will clear the screen. If we run it, and we will see this, I think dark blue to blackish screen or something. Looks really beautiful. Yeah. So what is a function in TIC? A function is a place where you can have code in it. Like say you have the CLS, then you come down here and you say function, then you say you can name it anything like Johnny Bravo, and then you come down here and then you say print for me what? Print Johnny, print hello world, because I'm bored, because I don't like having fun. Okay, so print hello world. This print means you should tell the console what to print. Now what I'll add here is 0 0 0 0. The first 0 comes after a bracket. Comes after a comma. This first 0 is an X, where you should tell it to print. And the second 0 is the Y, where you should also tell it to print. Start printing from this area, this corner. We'll see it for ourselves. And so when we come up here, say Johnny Bravo, the name of the function, you can run it and then you can see hello world. This is the area 0 0. It starts from here 0, the very top corner of the screen, the 0 0 over here. Alternatively, if you don't want to use the function at this moment, you can just have function TIC, and the functions always have the two brackets, because it's a function. Because I cannot explain it, because it's like English. For the computer treats its language like English. There are some things you can explain in English, such as what is the meaning of something, but at the same time you cannot explain why it is like that, the way it is. Like why is why is like this a something, this is a something. You cannot explain why we say this is not a B something, this is not B something. This is always a something. Yeah. So print hello world. Hello world is the first thing we always print in anything. when we try to save, it says card name is missing, which means card name is missing, which means we should save tutorial. Save tutorial.tick. I hope it's working. It's not working. Yeah, I see the problem. I see the problem. How is it switched to scene 2, which is a problem? Okay, so what I was saying, what was I don't know what happened, but okay, so let's start from the beginning. Clear screen means the equivalent of it is CLS, that this is a function. Function tick is a function. The main function is means that this cannot work without the function tick. Try function tick. Then we run. It will work. But the problem is it's not clearing the screen. It's trying to execute the code in this area where commands are. Do not want to have the program where the commands are. Function tick. It makes its own screen. When we press escape, it comes to the commands. This is the code editor. This is the sprite editor. This is the map editor. This is the SFX editor. Music editor. So next thing you run that function tick. The not have, and if you try out it, it will tell you fun. You try to destroy me using your own programming languages which you fought against. Not accept that, you foul human being. I will now destroy the power of not having a tick function, and I will tell you in doing whatever you have done, and you're the worst human being in the entire world. I will give you the code is empty. The code is empty. Tick function or something of that sort. So let us try function. Let us see how that happens. Function catastrophe, because that is catastrophe. Then you say hello world. Then give it coordinates and print does to print a certain thing. And then using a small double like this is a comment. We don't know what a comment is. It shows it does not involve whatever to explain what the program means. Tells to write something. This double quotation is what the program will print. And then X. So this is the X. This is the comma. Then X. And then Y. Shows where the program in the screen. TIC has a screen of 240 by or something close to, I think, yeah, 240. Much about that later. Right. So when you try to run that, function TIC isn't found, and then it will give you a frown face because it's actually about not giving it a function TIC. I'll show you another function that you need inside, and the program is not the function. Clear screen. This is how we have the function, the second function in the TIC function. This is how they relate. Just like that. You just copy this. Copy. Control. And then hello world. Hello world. 0, where I'm pointing at. Hello world starts from 0, 0. H starts from 0, 0. You can have anything in this. Print absolute. Then when you print, it won't go. It will just. So we can anything. This way. This is the and yeah, don't have anything. You can do stuff with a or even number. Control R. Yeah, so it can print it. Fine. I'll teach you about that later. So instead of having this function, you can still print it. Okay, before I tell you, instead of having that function, let me tell you, without having that function, they're just next to each other. Control S and Control R. So we have this catastrophe. Remember that having the catastrophe is important. This is how the program reads the data. Without it, all of this does not exist. In the program's eyes, all of that exists. So if I can press Control remove those, even this Control Control take this. print 00. It will give me the same, but the reason as to why you can do any of this, you can do it in the function. Another function. Johnny Brown, as I was writing before, I knew that. Switch to another thing. Then switch to another thing. Yes. So clear, depending on what you want. Clear screen focus. Okay, so yeah. Next up, I'll be explaining what let's do. So you can cut. This is like Control X. You can cut like pieces of programs using this. Control V. It's the same. This is the Control C, Control V. This is the pastes. Control V. Control X. Let me just TLS. You can do read. Switch fonts. This is when your fonts become yeah, so you can switch the fonts. You can use any of this that come default. Show shadow. There's no shadow right now. There's a shadow right now. Over here. This is the run. Instead of going here and then saying run and you get an error. This is the most common error I've gotten so far, and keep on forgetting to have an end, and it's extremely annoying. So you can run this over here. This drags it to the right, to the left, the right to the left. Then you can find the CLS. It will give you. You can also look at CLS in various areas of the code. For example, if we write CLS, to give us a specific hop on this. So you can know that there are big letters and small letters. Then there's the code. Self-explanatory. You can also have programming languages in general are connected to a little bit of TIC to other languages. The basics of TIC. Let us look at the sprite. So I've not really used. They've changed sprites because this is the foreground and this is the background. Like if you're using the old background, it will be like this. Background and foreground. Basically, it look a little bit stressful, but it's not that stressful. That's the thing. So that you can draw on to make it small, draw it on a small scale. this is the advanced mode. You don't need to know that. I'll make it big again. Cut it, control it. You can cut it here. You can paste it. You can do anything. You can control it. Because I love pixel art that is small. I love pastel colors. That is how I draw stuff. So I'll draw something small. Stuff. These are the colors. See, if you see stuff changing here, like color 01, color 00, color 0, color 03, color 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13. These are the colors. This is the pencil. This is the color picker. Say, yeah, I'm going to illustrate that in a second. And this is the 257th box. This is the 256th, 257, 258, 259. 511, I think. The reason I'm not starting with 56 is because tutorials told me to avoid starting with 256. So 57 is the way to do it. A tiny box, whatever. That to look a bit nice. Look up here. Okay. So yes, that's it. And then nice. So add a little bit of color. It's getting a little bit nice. Yeah, so something a little bit congested, a little bit. Okay, so this is the color. You can pick the color. You can press on the color you want. If you never use, you know that it will produce the same color. So the blue color, change the color. The blue to change the color. Yeah, it's basically, this is 8 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so it's 8 by 8. You can feel. This is the background color. You can move it color by choosing the background color. You can flip something. flip. Yeah. Then there's the upside down. They rotate. Yeah. Then there's the erase. You delete. Though the erase kind of makes a difference. There's some things I still don't know about it. I guess that's how I understand it. You can do this. The background is still the same. Tree. You can also do something in the background because you can draw in the small as long as you know how to use it in the future. All of this. So why use TIC? Like 80, 100. Smaller, less training. It will teach you the functionality of stuff. The stuff in Unity that teaches you a lot of stuff. This game that yesterday I became popular. It's extremely, yeah, it's a picoid game. Anything can become Pico Pack. It has so many reviews. Yeah, top sellers. It's somewhere here. Became popular. It's not about popularity, it's about having fun. This pixel art looks awful, so I'll be modifying it. Pixel art tutorial, I can give you one. I can also tell you Out of charge. Okay, so I made a weird looking shape. Guess stick with it. That's guess the next thing I make is a piece of lilac. I don't think we need some tile sets because yeah. If you don't know what a tile set is, let me check a tile set. Tile set pixel art. Anything come up. A map is good. Like this. These are tile sets. Repetitive pieces of art that are used to society. Let's give in a way that looks nice. Something of that. Then we can copy and paste. So go to select and then move to the side. To be used every part of this. Something like that. I'll just keep it white. Is that you can mix colors. Okay, this bit spotted, so you can change it to this way. Change it to this way. Let's keep it. Change that. Mixing colors. It's kind of the RGB. This one, so that you can get some certain colors like brown or whatever. Palette, test palette. Okay, just get the mood. Now that you map, when you press tab, entirety of the map from here to here. When you get to the corners, it will be on the other end. The other end. When you press tab again, it will bring you back to the map end. The editor is extremely nice since you already know paste, copy paste, and redo. This is the world map. It's still the same. Depends on how you do it. So I like the grid because it's very helpful. You can draw stuff. I'll show you through a demonstration. You can take this. Wait, it's not perfect. Yep, decent perfect. This, but it's very tedious. You can instead enlarge and this is how level design comes in. Copy this. This is how you level. Got some. Make it more here. So that's how you use this from here. Some stuff here. And we make from you can fill in starting. I don't know what this is. Sprite. Yes. This is a new version. So I don't know what this means. But you basically understood what this is the draw. Draw something. Draw this, draw that. You can undo. Control Z or undo here, but I like Control Z. See how it looks like. but note that this map does not do it unless we make it do something. This is the sliders. Select something like this, then we cut it. Control Z to undo. Like the entire place. You can fill the entire map. Looks ugly. Undo. But let's see how it looks. Like practice the map. It's just fill the map. About this. Okay, so we are done. Now, the next thing that we are going to go into is the sound effects editor, which is also known as the sound. What I'm doing right now is a certain sound. This can be also an instrument for music, mostly an instrument for the music. Okay, let me quiet this thing. Okay, so increase the sound a little bit. If you have a question, you can ask. I don't look at the comments much, but in the live stream, but yeah. So this this is a very complicated. I mean, not a very complicated thing to look at it at first. It looks a little bit complicated. This is the speed. This is the speed of the whatever of the thing. So you can decrease the speed. How I'm doing this is like playing this thing is pressing the thing, the spacebar. You can increase the speed to max, but I like how it was originally. Volume. Okay, so this is the volume. If this is the volume. Left stereo. I mean left stereo, right stereo. I guess it's where the sound comes from or whatever. I don't know. Don't know about that. So index 0 is the name of the sound effect. Like this is empty, this is empty, this is empty. Because we've not chosen to edit this. But we're editing 00, index 00. And all this will be important. I'll explain to you why. So when you come here, it can change the sound. We can also change how it sounds like. We can make our own instrument. Alternatively, you can change the whatever the note down here. There's a lot to do, so I encourage you to like test stuff in this place. The down is like how it should sound like in certain whatever. Changes the sound. It makes it a little bit more bassy. There's the arpeggio. You can make it loop. So yeah, but I won't make it loop. Is the pitch, which you all know can be done like this. Now we have undertale something. Okay, so this, now that you're done with this, you basically know what everything here is. Cut, copy, paste, undo, redo. Then this is the index. This is the whatever we are editing, the sound effect we are editing. The sound effects can be used in making a sound effect or in making an instrument for the music. So this is the 0th sound effect, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third. So we can make another sound effect to embed that. It can be different, and yeah, we'll maintain it to be this way because I want it to be that way. And then yeah, something of that sort. Now next, I'll try to change the pitch a little bit. Yeah, I'll be undoing that. Something of that sort. So now we have the SFX 0 and 1. And then so we'll be making some music out of those two. So frame, you can make your own sound effect if you want. Yeah, it's an option for you. So there's the track, the music editor, still the same thing. Cut, copy, paste, move left, move right. I don't know what this means, so stay notes. I've never used a lot of this, so you can use it if you want, but you can also fail to use it if you don't want. There's the piano mode, then there's the tracker mode. I'll show you what the tracker mode in a second is. This is the track. The track is the whole music. It's the name of the whole music. Like if you make one piece of music, that is a track. If you make another piece of music, that is another track. It's different from having different parts of a piece of music, because there's "We Wish You a Merry Christmas" and there's another piece of music like "Happy Birthday to You." Those are two different types of tracks. Yeah, there's the tempo. I think yeah, you can test that for yourself. There's the speed, which you all know. Speed. 6 is the best. Then there are the rows. The rows are the notes. Row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3. This is the best part of TKT. Use your keyboard as a musical instrument. That is the best part of TKT that I absolutely love and will not really ever stop loving. You can also export some music, which is extremely nice. Probably start your Spotify lists or whatever. Yeah, best thing, if you earn money, you can give to the creator or something. I don't know. He made a very good piece of software, and it's completely free to use. And yeah, support his work. I'm not the creator. Yeah. Also, you might support me if you, but like support the creator better. Okay, so tracker mode. we have the piano mode and we have the tracker mode. So when you come here, it will look kind of alike. These frames are what we use. um, I'll explain to you what frames are, what rows are. It looks a little bit complicated, but it's really not that complicated. You don't need this to make music, but you can probably use this if you don't have your keyboard with you. And this over here is for changing certain things like master volume. You can make it loud or not loud, and most of this uses some understanding of computer science or something of that sort. Not really computer science, computers in general, like 1 to F. If you know what F is, I'll tell you. Computers. I'll explain to you all of these kinds of stuff. Right now my brain is a little bit looking kind of empty because I'm feeling a little bit tired. They should be doing a little bit of programming and stuff, but yeah, I'm explaining it. So this is a track. I told you the track is one song. The tempo, the speed, the rows are these things over here. So this is the frame. This is what I was trying to tell you. I was going to tell you these are the frames. The frames are different parts of a piece of music that you can use and reuse, or probably whatever. Let me show you as an example. So we start over from 0 1. 0 0 has nothing. We cannot use 0 0. I have to use 0 1. So if I press Z, it will give me 400. Let me try. ZXCV. ZXCV. Then I press A. So this is the track. Then probably POIUYTREW. POIUYTREW. Z and then to M. From Z to M again. And then probably L, K, J, W, H, G, F, D, S, and then A. A is the spaces that I'm putting here. This is an A, then this is an A. These are all the stuff, the things, the musical instruments you have. The capabilities are extremely huge. You can start over from 2. To play, you press enter. So I can have, say, M, N, B. Okay, I'll have this as 1. This is the second instrument. Z, X, Z, X, C, V, B, C, V, B, N. Then I don't know why it's not working. Okay, J, H, J, D, something of that sort. So I can add my own stuff. Okay, so when we this is the first this is the first frame. This is the this is the 0th frame, and this is the first. When you come here back to the piano mode, you'll see that 01 has been formed. You can see all this. So when you come here, you can adjust some stuff. Something of that sort. Okay, so you can repeat it. So how we so this is the 0th track. This is the music 0101. I found that the best way to adjust the volume, if people if it's like this volume is extremely loud, if someone has its whatever volume to 100, it will sound extremely horrible and it will scream at him, and he will complain to you. Happened to me once that your volume is too loud, something. Okay. So yeah, the chickens are crowing, whatever. So this is the master volume. You can adjust all this over here. So how to adjust the master volume? One, you can have either have it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It doesn't have 10. So we start from A. I don't know why it's not starting from A. B, C, D, E, then F. F is the loudest. One is the least loud. So I'm just pressing one to decrease the volume. It's pretty tedious, but it's also fun. If you're getting stressed out, just make music. So let's sounds a lot more quiet than this. You can do the same here. So at the very bottom of the screen, and depending on how you want the music to sound like, you can have a 2 here, and then it will sound quite quiet, very quiet, very quiet indeed. Just tapping once till You don't need the ones in areas that are mhm, areas that are quiet. You can adjust the volume like that, something of that sort. So that's how you do music. And so now that I've taught you all that, how to call the stuff, call the music, call everything. So you come up here, then you write music 00000. These are 5 zeros. Now I'll show you why. Music TIC. It's all in the TIC wiki. There's another great tutorial over here. You can use it. And this is written by that person. So track -1. -1 means don't do it or something of that sort. I don't know. I mean it's I don't know. So there's a track, frame, row, loop, sustain, tempo, speed. And then to stop the music, you write music. So it's the track, frame, row, loop, sustain. The other ones we ignore. I think there are 5, yeah. Unless you have other functionalities to do, I mean. So yeah, that's the music. Okay, so what next? SFX. I think I should share the SFX. Okay, before I share the SFX, you could have music here 0000 and 0. Then probably so that I can show you spot music. What? Isn't there an export music? Spot music. No. Spot music ticket. You're so slow. You can use load tick music. Yes, you can just check. You can just look for it. Part of game development is looking for stuff. You can copy and paste or use command load cut tick music. I think it looks a little bit different. So music. Yeah, the code is 64 KB of compressed code. It's compressed code. Yeah. So ouch. So I think I'll continue from there. Yeah, it's been a long whatever live stream. I'd like to end over there. Thank you for listening. I hope you're okay. Bye.